Hello everyone, welcome back to another installation video, and in today's video we have this 2020 Dodge Ram 1500 and we're going to install the headlight tints on this vehicle here. So as you can see, this is how it looks before the installation and this is how it looks after the installation. The tints will provide protection from yellowing the lens over time, as well as any small road debris that might hit the lens. Link for the product will be in the description below. But with that being said, let's get started with the installation video. So before starting the installation, we want to clean the headlight lens first. So just apply slip solution all around. So we want to apply slip solution first on the headlight. And with this one, we are going to need to align it to this edge first. Once it's aligned to the edge, we tack this piece down. And once this piece is tacked down, we're going to need to stretch the film going this way. That way we could remove all the fingers that are in the middle here in the film. Lift the film just a bit to apply tack solution. And then squeegee to tack down in place. Once it's secured here, we need to stretch the film going this way. And while we're stretching this way, we need to stretch upward as well. That way we remove any of the fingers that are here. Stretch and hold it in place and then tack it down with tack solution. Try this area up, that way you have better grip. And then stretch to remove this finger. And then from here is just tacking down the rest, sealing it. So just apply your tack solution, squeegee at an angle. And then from here we're going to apply heat and tack solution to remove the finger. Okay, and once you finish securing the whole film, the last thing is just post heat all around. That way the adhesive on the film activates faster and sticks to the headlight. So just tack solution all around and then heat and microfiber towel to seal the edges. Okay, so that concludes the installation video for the headlight tints for the Dodge Ram 1500. Just make sure you tack down this piece here first, and then you just stretch to the curve here. Seal all the edges around with heat and tack solution, and that should be it. But if you guys do have any questions, send us a message, and we'll be happy to help you guys out. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you guys on the next video.